Didn't think I'd ever see you again.
There's no way out of this life, James. Not for men like us.
I gave up that life a long time ago.
It's a contract. One job. For old times.
See that right there? That's the problem with you people. Too much bureaucracy, paperwork. You want to pay me in what? Gold bars? I told you I'm done. I'm done getting put to the fire every tax season.
It's not like that anymore. Lots changed since you left the field. This right here is your key to freedom. Our company runs on Ramp now, and they just rolled out a complete 1099 workflow inside of their bill pay product.
Inside job.
Inside job.
You're telling me this is some AI finance platform that can identify 1099 eligible vendors and then generate, file, and deliver all their tax forms in one place?
I'm telling you, there's never been a better time to be a 1099 form or a contractor.
You boys must be pretty desperate, coming all the way out here after everything that happened last September. What's the job?
Little graphic design, few logos.
Son of a bitch. I'm in.